Hello everybody. You may remember that I bought one of these generic gas burners for about £10–11. I can't remember exactly. And I vandalised it all. Took the burner out the middle. And then I fitted it into my Firebox Nano. Or one of the Firebox Nanos that I own anyway. And I thought it was a great idea to be able to adapt a cheap gas burner and be able to use it with lots of small stoves. I had a comment on one of my videos from a chap called Mark Young, and he does a similar sort of thing to me over in the USA. And his comment was, "Looks familiar." And I thought, looks familiar? What's he talking about? Now, I've seen some of Mark's videos before, and they're usually really interesting. And he thinks a lot, perhaps too much, about stoves, just like myself. And what he did, he got this burner and he put it in the Firebox Nano in a slightly different way to what I did. What he did was put a washer in the middle of there to make the hole a bit smaller, and then let's move that out of the way. He unscrewed the gas burner, slotted it underneath and screwed in the top. So he says, screwed in the top. And he used it that way, and I thought that's absolutely brilliant. So Mark, I've pretty much stolen your idea. Thank you very much. But I'm going to put a slight twist onto it. Instead of using a small washer on the original Firebox Nano, by the way, even if you do have the original one, they're absolutely amazing. You can see mine's been used. It's had a lot of use and a lot of life, and it's pretty much perfect apart from a little bit of staining. These things are bomb proof and they go on for pretty much ever. This would be my top small stove for almost any occasion. Anyway, I'm rambling. I've got here, instead of a washer, I've got a piece of aluminium which I tried to use on another project I was playing around with, and it didn't really work out, but I've still got a piece of aluminium. So what I thought I'd do is just trim it off both sides. Oh, there's nothing fancy about that, is there? Let's see if we can make it a bit tidier. Nearly, but it's acceptable. What I thought I'd do is, if I can get this organised, there we are. Is fix him just in the centre there to bring that inside diameter down. So, I wonder if I could do it that way. It's not going to affect the integrity of the stove in any way. It can still be used for alcohol or anything else. So my thought was that I could use some of this gasket seal, which is available in loads and loads of places. Stick a little bit of gasket seal on there. Let's move that out of the way. And then basically glue him in. And then that way I've got nothing to lose. Because I know if I've got little tiny bits like this, what's going to happen is I'm going to end up, I've probably got too much there. There we go. I am going to end up just, use this little bit of aluminium. There we are, as a spreader. I'm going to end up losing it, which I don't want to do. Don't know if you're like me and you go out and about and things just get lost. So the less small fiddly items I have, the better, because otherwise they're going to get broken, lost, etc. There we are. That's that. So what I'm going to do then is stick him in the middle. He's looking a bit rough in there, but you've got the idea. What I'm hoping is, once this dries properly, I can just fold him up. I've got no bits to lose, and I can just unflip it. Put those out the way. Put my gas burner in underneath and just screw them in the top. So there you have it. Thank you very much, Mark, for the idea. I hope you don't mind me stealing it and adapting it slightly. And I look forward to using this when I'm out and about. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope that's inspired you. InfoZhed out.